Buying an Amazon gift card with a Google Play balance is very easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open your Amazon account and next, search for Amazon gift card. After that, click on Amazon e-gift card and verify that it shows the official Amazon logo. After that, scroll down and input the amount you want, as well as the delivery method, either by email or text message. In the provided boxes, enter the recipient's email address and any other required details. And now, specify the delivery date. Make sure all the details are correct, including the amount. Then after that, click Add to Cart. Review your cart subtotal. Then click Proceed to check out. For the payment method, choose Google Play Balance as your payment method. Click on Add a credit or debit card, then enter your card number, name on the card, and other necessary information. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an Amazon gift card using your Google Play Balance. Thank you.